If you want to turn on the face unlock on the Moto G8 Plus, go to the settings, click on the security and location. Now we have to go to the face unlock, and now just click setup. Next. We have to also confirm our pattern. Yeah, the face was scanned, and now press next. We got it. So we are going to lock our device, and now I'm gonna hide, and as you can see, we just cannot unlock without face. We have to go with pattern, but when I'm looking on this device, lock again, unlock, and as you can see, it's only swipe by finger and it's done. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below. See ya.